Hi, in PDF Studio 2022, users can now use the Document Session Manager to store the active list of documents open in PDF Studio, and then reopen that session again at a later time with just a single click. Multiple sessions can be saved for ease of use when working across multiple projects. The stored session will retain documents that were open, tab order of the open documents, and the number of windows open if you have documents open in different windows. So say you're working on an architecture project and you have multiple tabs open here, and you're also working on a different project in a different window. Say you're reviewing an article for a friend, and you might have to step away and you're afraid your computer might be shut down or someone might come and use your computer and close out of PDF Studio. To rest assured that you can come back to where you left off on your project, you can now save sessions in PDF Studio 2022. So in order to do that, all you want to do is go to the File tab, go down to Open, go to Sessions, and you're going to see your Sessions menu here, and you want to save your current session. It's going to prompt you to enter a name for the session. I'm going to title it Afternoon Projects and press OK. So now you can see that session was now saved. So now I'm going to exit out of PDF Studio. I'm going to reopen it. I'm going to go to the File tab. I'm going to go down to Open. I'm going to go to Sessions here. And as you can see, Afternoon Projects is right at the top. But just in case it wasn't, you can always search it, and it'll highlight it until you can pull it up there. Also, if you know that was the last session you worked on, you can simply click Last Used Session. And keep in mind, if you didn't pre-save that session like I did, it will still reopen that session automatically since it was the last session you worked on. Alright, let's click Last Used Session, and it'll open that session. So as you can see, those tabs I had in the architecture project are all opening up, and the last of those annotations were saved correctly. Then you can go to that other window and see that your other project was also saved correctly and reopen to where you left off. So it's a pretty simple feature to use. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this new feature very useful. To use convenient and efficient features like this one, download PDF Studio 2022 now.